Okay, I'm going to be talking a little bit about car insurance. And car insurance is required by all states if you purchase or own your own vehicle. It's also good to have, even if you don't own a vehicle, and be on somebody else's policy because it lowers your rates. Do not pick just the lowest coverages. Accidents cost money, and many times the accidents are more expensive, and the amount of damage that's done is more than the insurance you choose. So, like if you have the minimum in Arizona, that's $10,000. So many times an accident can be 15, 20, 30,000, and that means you owe the money out of your pocket, or they'll garnish your wages. When comparing insurance, make sure you compare the exact same coverages so you can compare apples to apples. If there are different coverages involved, then you can't know who is actually the cheapest. Whenever you hear of the word deductible, that is actually coverage for your car. It's only required when you have a loan or a lease. It means if you get in an accident, the deductible is your part of the cost to repair the vehicle, and the insurance pays the rest up to the actual depreciated value of your car. So if you've spent some money or the car is worth something, I'd say even $2,000 to $3,000, you should have a deductible, because I couldn't take the risk of losing $2,000. If you have insurance continuously, the longer the better, the lower your rates. So if you have it for 6 months, it's better than if you had it not at all. If you have it for 5 years, that's the best, 5 years or longer. Also, insurance companies will surcharge you if you do not mention a violation or an accident. So make sure that you tell the insurance company on your application or on the online whether you had a ticket and when you had a ticket, when you had an accident or violation. Even not at faults or even claims, they do count. Most car insurance companies use your credit, and they have a insurance credit score. So keep your credit up and make sure it's good, because if you have bad credit or no credit, it actually increases your rates. Get quotes from different companies to compare and ask questions. If you are not sure of what something means, ask. Talk to the company before you purchase. Know what the terms mean so you know what you're purchasing. Some companies will give discounts for buying online, giving you an email address, doing paperless, or even being a low mileage driver. Some companies will actually give you a device to put in your car to actually measure your miles to make sure that they're low. If you do not have health insurance, do not skimp on the car insurance coverage, because most of the car insurance coverage is for health insurance. It is there to protect you, so make sure that you have insurance to cover you in case of an accident. So those are the main things about car insurance that they're not told on your application or online. So make sure you understand it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or post online.